Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to sort alphabetically in Excel. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Excel application, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is, where exactly can you find Excel? It is simple. You can find it in the Microsoft Store. So launch your Microsoft Store, search for Excel, and follow through the on-screen prompts to create your account or to download the app. So after downloading the application, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Excel. Now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to sort alphabetically in Excel. So I'm going to have to select the cell that I want to sort alphabetically. So let's say this is the cell. So the next thing that I'd like to do is to head over to so I'm going to head over to sort. So head over to home at the top corner. So click on home. All right. And now you have file, you have home, you have insert, draw, page layout, formulas, data, and necessarily home. So go ahead and click on data. And once you click on data, head over down to the sort and filter option, and you have the sort option in here. So you can now select this either from A to Z or from Z to A. Let's say A to Z. It says, what do you want to do? Expand this selection or continue with the current selection? Let's say continue with the current selection and click on sort. So you see it has been sorted alphabetically. Now we have the A, we have B, we have F, and down to the last. So if I want to do from Z to A, this is ascending, descending, and this is descending, ascending. So let's say highest to lowest. So you can click on that and continue with the current selection sort. So now it's descending, ascending. So here we go. Now, if you want to select range of cells, that's a range of cells, not just a particular cell. Let's say range of cells that you want to sort alphabetically. Let's say this, and let's come over here down to this. So I pretty much like sorted this, take it down. Trying to drag it all down, and it's pretty much not dragging. Okay, it's still in sorts. Okay. All right. Selected my range of cells. Or maybe that's not enough. So I'm just going to take it down to this. So I'm heading over to data, and from data, I'm going to click on sort, the group sorting. So from here, you have the sort by option. All right, so sort by weight, column, or let's say the name. Then sort on. This sort on, you're going to have to change it to cell values, which we have here. And then the order, you're going to have to decide that if it's A to Z or Z to A. So let's say A to Z. So after doing that, don't forget to select my data has headers. Check this option. And after checking the option, go ahead and select OK. And you see now that this has been changed and this has been properly organized, right, from ascending to descending order. So that's pretty much the process. I'm just going to go the way back. This my cell is entirely disorganized. So if you apply it to yours, you see that's going to be different. I'm just going to go all the way back. So that's pretty much it. You can now go by the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.